Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to add automatic name and email. Here are the steps to automatically add your name or signature in emails using Gmail as an example on desktop. First is to open the Gmail app or go to the gmail.com and make sure to log in with your credentials. Click the gear icon in the top right corner. Then click See All Settings. Under the General tab, scroll down to the Signature section. Click Create New. Enter a name for your signature, for example, Work Signature, and click Create. In the text box, type your name, job title, or any other info you'd like. For example, best regards, Alex Rivera. Use the toolbar to format your signature, change fonts, add links, logos, etc. Under Signature Defaults, choose your own email. Then set for new emails, choose your signature. For replies or forwards, choose your signature or leave blank if you prefer to. Now, scroll through the bottom and click Save Changes. Compose a new email, then send it to your other email. Now, once you access the email where you sent the email to your name signature will now appear automatically. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.